Welcome to DataSource Mobility Reviews. My name is Bill Pressler, and we'll be talking today about mounting solutions for vehicles. Whenever you take a computer and put it into a vehicle, you want to make sure you're able to get two things out of it. First and foremost, safety. Safety is very critical. A computer like this is a Toughbooks CF19. If you take this and it's involved and have it just sitting around in your vehicle and you're involved in any kind of a crash or event, you've essentially got a 5-pound missile that's going to go off inside your vehicle. Very dangerous. So by securing it properly in a safe and tested docking station like the LEDCO dock that we see here, you're able to take care of that safety issue. Second, your ability to get all of the peripherals and connections through your dock into things like your, here you'll see the Antennas Plus external antenna, where this is my FJ Cruiser here, so I use a mag mount. Of course, we can get these for you in a way that's permanently mounted on your vehicle. And through this dock, you're able to get all the necessary things like the antenna connection, power, connections to printers, and in my case, connections to iTunes and to my car. It's true. That's the main reason I wanted this, I think. So what I'm going to do now is just demonstrate some of the features of the dock. I'm going to unlock it, and then we're going to undock the unit. So this obviously is a way to make sure you don't get the unit stolen, and then it just comes out of there. Let me just demonstrate now for you how we're connecting to the CF19. Same type of principle on a CF30 or the CFU1. There's a port replicator on the bottom here, or a PC connection here that allows you to dock. See, it's got a slide that covers it over, so that when you put it in there, it immediately connects through, and that gives you access to all those important connections like your USB and parallel ports, etc. Right here you'll see the pass-throughs for antenna. I have on this unit a GPS module built in, and we're using a Sprint wireless modem, and we're connecting out from the CF19 into the Antennas Plus mounting antenna that's on top of the vehicle. So that gives you great reception for both GPS and for your wireless connectivity. So we're just going to pop it back into the dock and slide this over. Okay, let's talk about the components of a vehicle mounting solution. First, you've got your LEDCO dock, which is here, and then you have the mount, and that's the equipment that essentially connects the dock to the floor of your vehicle. Now, in the case of this particular installation, this is a custom job. You know, they don't have standard configurations for FJ Cruisers. I guess not many people, the FJ Cruisers, really need a laptop in them. But anyway, they did a custom job for us here. In addition to the dock and the mount, you're going to have the accessories that go into it. I mentioned already Antennas Plus and their wireless connection. We have a CHARGEGUARD unit in this vehicle as well that helps protect the battery. So the CHARGEGUARD unit is a very inexpensive device that is in between the power supply and the dock. And what that does is it senses when the car or the vehicle is turned off, and it starts a timer sequence that you set based on whatever parameters you have for your vehicles and your installation, and it will then start timing down in that sequence, and when you reach a preset interval, it will shut off power to the laptop and whatever's connected in through here. The importance of that is, of course, you don't run your battery down and wind up getting stranded somewhere. So let's go around, I'll show you some of the ergonomic features. Okay, so let's look at some of the adjustments that we can make here, simply by turning this over here. Now I've got the computer close to me, and I can use it when the vehicle is parked and not in motion at all. And there's a lot of adjustments that I can make. I can simply rotate the computer up like this. If I'm using it more in a tablet mode, I can actually turn it a completely different way if I like, and I can make height adjustments on this as well. I have a couple of different options that are sort of installed in this vehicle, but this is a pretty straightforward application, so it's nothing really super fancy. But there are so many different options that can be made to make the computer essentially come over into your lap when you're actually doing your application. And what that gives you the ability to do is not be like this all the time, which has some back issues for you for an ergonomics and a health perspective. So the main thing here though is that you've got the unit up out of your seat, you've got securely mounted, you've got all the connectivities that you need to your wireless, to your printers and all the different peripherals. And the thing is that it gives you all the connections that you would normally have out of your laptop, and it gives it directly into the dock in a very safe and secure way. So that's what a mounting application looks like, and thanks for joining us.